Yeah, the difference between replacement and new construction, for me, again, it's you get what you pay for, and it's the quality of the window. So it really depends on the window that you're buying. But for the most part, a new construction window is going to come with a nail flange. So it has a flange around the perimeter of the window because there's no siding on the home yet. That's why it's new construction. And so when they put that window in that hole, that flange stops the window from going in, and they can fasten the window to the home using that flange. Where with a replacement window, there's already siding in place, and it could be brick, stone, any kind of siding, and so that flange would be in the way. And so when the replacement window goes in, it doesn't have that flange, and so the window fits inside the hole, and it's actually screwed in through the frame. It's really the main difference, but you could have pretty much exactly the same window, one with the flange and one without. But that's the main difference, is that nail flange and just how it's fastened. Not if they're installed the right way. As long as it's properly flashed and sealed and insulated, hands down, that's the most important factor, I think, in a window replacement project, is the workmanship and the installation. That they know what they're doing, and they know how to properly flash and seal, tape, and insulate the area that the window's going in. And if that's done wrong, it'll leak, water will get in, it won't be as energy efficient. But if it's done the right way, there wouldn't be a difference between the two.